Good morning, students. Students, as you know that in our previous chapter we read about sentence and its parts. Today we are going to start our next chapter, types of sentences. Look at these pictures and read the sentences. Where is my bag? I am getting late. Take out your books. Oh, it's delicious. Students, have you noticed that these are different kinds of sentences? Sentences can be classified into four types on the basis of function they perform. Firstly, we will read about the first type, declarative sentences. Declarative sentences convey information or state of fact through statement. They end in a full stop. It means any sentence which is stating something or declaring something is called declarative sentence. They are also called simple statement because they are without emotions, question, advice, command or any kind of order. These sentences end with full stop. Look at the first example. We went to a park yesterday. This sentence gives us information about we, that we went to a park yesterday. Look at the another type, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences usually begin with question words like when, where, whose, which, whom, why, how and what. Student, we can say these words WH words. They can also begin with words like is, do, can, may, could, shall, will, am or are. They end in a question mark. They can either be answered with a short answer like yes or no or with a lengthy answer. It means these are used to ask question and always end with a question mark. Look at the example. What are your plans for today? Students, its answer will be long. Next example. Is she your sister? Its answer will be either yes or no. Look at the another type. Exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences expresses strong feeling or emotions. They always end in an exclamation mark. It means these sentences shows us sudden feelings like surprise, joy or anger. Look at the example. How beautiful your garden is. This sentence shows us the feeling of surprise. What a lovely place this is. This sentence expresses the feeling of joy, feeling of happiness. Look at the another type, imperative sentences. Imperative sentences expresses a command, give an instructions, warning, an advice or make a request. They also end in a full stop. Students, look at the example. Go out of the room. It's command. Move the lever twice. It's instruction. Watch out for the car. It's warning. Wear gloves before touching the switch. It's advice. Please shut the door. It's request. Student, one more thing to notice. Imperative and declarative sentences end with full stop. These there will be some confusion. How will we differentiate between the two? So we have to remember declarative sentences are simple statements. They don't contain advice, request or any kind of instructions, but imperative sentences contains request, order, command. Or both sentences end with full stop. Student, hope you understood. If you have any problem, you can send message on my personal number. Student, listen carefully and watch carefully to understand the topic. Exercise will be provided in the form of PDF. So thank you.